Okay, so I ended the other video because it was getting too long, but look at this.
What are you doing? You getting loving? Just gonna lay in mama's lap. Ignore my yellow socks. Just gonna lay in mama's lap. Get some loving. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. You just rest, sweet boy. You just rest. You're so good. You're so good. You're so handsome. You're a good boy. He just plopped down, laid his head. Yes, I know. Do you know it? Do you know it? Yeah, scratch that chin. Yes. There you go.
So many people are commenting that my husband and I are angels, but the truth is this is the easy part of the job. This is easy. Loving this dog is so easy. The people who had the hardest job are the rescuers, the ones who are literally climbing in the bushes to save an abandoned dog. I know that not everybody can foster, and I know not everybody can adopt a dog, but most of us can give just $10 a month to our local rescues. I know that Paw Angels, which I have tagged in all of my videos with him. I didn't tag them, but I hashtagged them, I guess. They're here on TikTok. Holly does so much, y'all. And when the economy dropped, when the economy started getting bad, the first thing people do is they quit donating to their local rescues. They stop adopting, they stop fostering, they tighten up their belts, and they stop giving. And it was one of the things, I see her struggle. She just lost her own personal boy, her dog, last year. And she's so dedicated to him. And I understand, because that's the way I am with my Sammy. Her dog's name was Diesel, and he died from bloat. And like all of a sudden, she just lost him. And every day, she makes a Facebook post to him, still. Yeah, that's the kind of people who are in rescues. And people don't understand how much they suffer mentally, emotionally, financially, trying to save these animals. And I know we can't save them all, but we can try. So, if you guys, don't have anybody that you donate to on a regular, $10 a month goes a long way. It helps buy blankets and towels and soap. Helps buy, stuff to disinfect. I know that we think that if we can't just foster or do actual rescue that we can't do anything, but we can. So what I'm doing here is easy. I'm just going to give him love and food, keep him safe. They do the dirty work. And a lot of people who are in foster eventually commit suicide. Not foster, rescue. They see so much horrendous human activity to animals just like this, and they can't save them. And it eventually wears their toll. It takes a toll on their mental health. So just keep them in mind. And again, my rescue is Paw Angels. That's who I use. So I've gotten, well, we had this guy, 3 of my babies from. They work hard to save lives. So if you don't already donate, Paul's Angels always needs, but so does your local rescue. So, yeah. Right now we're just chilling. We're just gonna chill in Mama's lap for a minute. Rest. Get good petings. Took his medicine. Went for a walk. He went to the bathroom. He didn't want to go out. I think he would have held it for a minute. So, here you go, guys. There's your morning update. Now, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm going to try to take a nap. I was up at 3:30 with the rainstorm, so he's fed. His belly's full. He went for a walk, and he's in a safe place. And he's warm. And he's stretched out on this big bed. So, you guys have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful Monday. Happy Juneteenth. I know some people won't be working today, so I hope you get to relax. And those of you who do work, thank you for making the world go round.